I was. I never even saw him.
John, get down.
Oh, hold on.
Killing Nate.
He was too far.
We were a little late.
He was too far.
Well, he was way out there.
Penny, come.
Here it comes.
Oh, right here in front of us. Oh, shit.
Yeah, Nate, this is tails.
Hey, right here. Big group.
John. That's a crane.
There's ducks right over her
We
back,
got 10
y'all.
bucks. 10 ducks right here. 10, no. There's 10 ducks right here, John. John, there's 10
I was
ducks.
shooting those cranes.
Ah.
I wanted to kill that fucking.
One in the decoys right here.
Gadwalls, pretty gadwalls. Kill him.
Let's get him.
Oh.
Ah, get down right here. Get down one.
Few more off your left side too. They just peeled off with him, didn't they? Two more right above us.
Two more.
Oh, two more. Two more. Right there, two more.
Here they go. Oh, but interface. Let's kill these.
Kill him right here, John.
Watch that one. That one hurts bad.
I killed a double on this.
Did you? Good.
Y'all see that? Coming over our head. Y'all ready? All right, maybe this is it. Right here, maybe.
John, it's gonna be you.
Blast her ass.
I think he was already caught.
Dang.
Bam.
Did he just hush me?
He did. He did. He did hush you.
You know what? I'm not gonna let him shoot one now.
I think he did. I didn't think twice about it.
Oh, ducks.
Shoot the monkey. Ducks. Where the ducks at?
Kill these ducks.
Alright, now we need to count ducks.
That is the 4th time I got this jam.
Geese.
Y'all kill him if he drops.
Go and get him.
Good job.
I'll be damned, you did kill him. And the decoys are two. That's too late though, too late. They're gonna come back around again. The delay is hilarious.
Nah.
Nah. Alright.
Alright, you damn.
Coming over from that side. Gonna come right here.
I'd say we're gonna shoot him right there. You ready?
Let's get him. Oh, he's hurt. Come on.
My gun jammed.
Watch that bird. He's got shot in him. Watch him.
He's long
Watch
shot.
him.